In this video, we're going to be looking at the equation of circles. So in the previous video, we had a look at the equation of circles that had a center of the origin, 0, 0. So in this video, we're going to be looking at circles where the center is not at 0, 0. And up at the top here, you can see the equation. So x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared is equal to r squared, with the center being hk and the radius r. Now you're given this in the logbooks, so there's no need to learn it off. You just need to know how to use it. So if you look at the question here, write down the equation of the circle with center 5, 7 and radius 4. So you can see the center is hk. So for our 5, 7, h is equal to 5 and k is equal to 7. So put this now into the equation of circle formula. So we'll have x minus 5 all squared plus y minus 7 all squared is equal then to a radius squared, so 4 squared. So the final answer then will be x minus 5 all squared plus y minus 7 all squared is equal then to 16. So how this would look then graphically, your center would be around here for 5, 7. And then you'll have a radius then of 4. Okay, obviously that's drawn poorly, so that's just a general idea of how it would look. Okay, let's have a look at this one here. So here we're given the equation of the circle and we need to find the coordinates of the center and the radius. So from our formula, minus h will be equal to 3 from the x plus 3. So that means h has to be equal to minus 3, because I multiplied across by minus 1 because you can't have a negative in front of the variable that you're looking for. And then with the y, we have minus k will be equal to minus 1. So again, multiplying across here by minus 1 because I want to get what k is, not what minus k is. So k then is equal to 1. So that means my center now is minus 3, 1. Then, just from looking at the equation, I can see that my radius is equal to 4. And that's the question answered. So you'll notice in these questions, if you have to find the center and then they give you the equation of the circle, it'll always be the opposite to the sign it is in the brackets. Similar to when you're solving a quadratic equation after being factorized. So like if you had x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 3 squared, the center of this would be 2 minus 3. Okay, look at another type of question. So this question now, we need to find the equation of a circle with center 1 minus 2, which passes through the point 4, 2. So in this question, we're given the center, but we need to find the radius. Because we have our center of 1 minus 2, and then it's going through 4, 2, and we need to find out what our radius is. Okay, so to do this, we need to use the distance formula. So x1, y1, x2, y2. And let's write down the formula then, which is in your logbooks. So x2 minus x1 all squared plus then y2 minus y1 all squared. Putting in our values now. So we'll have 4 minus 1 all squared plus 2 minus 2 all squared So we have 3 squared. 2 minus minus 2 will be 2 plus 2. So then we'll have 4 all squared here. So 9 plus 16, that's the square root of 25, which is 5. So that is our radius. Now, we already know that the center is 1 minus 2. So that means our equation now is going to be x minus 1 all squared plus y plus 2 all squared equal then to 5 squared. You can see from that how I ended up with x minus 1 all squared and y plus 2 all squared, that the values of the h and k will always be opposite to what you have as your center. Okay, so that's just a few questions on the equation of a circle where your center is not 0, 0. Any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.